the electronegative element. That is why this carbon gets delta positive charge and this gets delta negative charge. As soon as this carbon gets delta positive charge, it can be attacked by a nucleophile. It can be attacked by anything, any reagent which is electron rich. And this electron rich nucleophile is going to attack onto this carbon atom and it will get added. As soon as it attacks this carbon atom cannot have more than 4 bonds. That is why it breaks the weakest bond. What do you guys think is the weakest bond? Tell me. The red one, the blue one, the green one, which is sigma, or the white one, which is pi. Tell me, guys, which is the weakest bond here? Which is the weakest bond here? Which is more strong, sigma or pi?
Pi.
Tell me. Pi is more strong. अरे देखिए आप लोग ना ये कंफ्यूजन क्यों होता है? क्योंकि सिंगल बॉन्ड इज वीकर देन डबल बॉन्ड. करेक्ट? यस और नो?
यस सर.
सिंगल बॉन्ड में होता है सिग्मा, डबल बॉन्ड में होता है क्या आपके पास? सॉरी, सिंगल बॉन्ड हैज ओनली सिग्मा, डबल बॉन्ड हैज बोथ सिग्मा एंड पाई. दैट इज द रीजन डबल बॉन्ड इज मोर स्ट्रॉन्ग. ठीक है, दैट इज द रीजन डबल बॉन्ड इज मोर स्ट्रॉन्ग. लेकिन एक बात बताइए आप, if I am going to remove this sigma and I am only going to compare sigma and pi, in that case, which is stronger? Sigma is stronger. All of you, please remember this difference, okay? When I say sigma and pi, it is different from single bond and double bond. Is that clear, Fatima?
Yes sir.
Yes. Okay. Why is sigma more strong than pi? Because sigma is formed by head-on overlap, and pi bond is formed by lateral overlap. So in this case, this is very weak bond, this is pi bond, and this head-on overlap is strong bond. Okay? Now, as soon as this nucleophile is going to attack the carbon atom, the pi bond is going to break and it will be going towards oxygen atom. So this carbon will have a nucleophile attached to it, and there will be oxygen atom with a negative charge. Generally, we give water in this case, or if we have an acidic reagent, then H plus will be abundant and oxygen atom is going to attack on one of the H plus, either the H of water or the H plus of the acid. So generally on hydrolysis in acidic medium, we are going to get carbon, some nucleophile here, and OH. Okay, but before that, I hope all of you understood what is the mechanism here. Don't write this now. We'll write the mechanism at the end. Please write the first chemical property, that is, एक काम कीजिए, इसको यहीं रहने दीजिए. अगर लिखना है आप लोगों को तो लिख लीजिए, but this is not a mechanism. This is general scheme of reaction for carbonyl compounds, right? और एक और चीज देखिए, addition reaction है, right? On carbon atom, we are breaking the pi bond and we are adding 2 sigma, 1 sigma to carbon and 1 sigma to oxygen. So pi bond breaks and each of those atoms which made the pi bond are having a single bond. So that means it is an addition reaction. So please write addition of ammonia and ammonia derivatives. So please see here. Now you have ammonia, that is NH3. And you have the carbonyl carbon double bonded with O and 2 groups attached to it. Okay, so this can be either aldehyde or ketone. Delta positive, delta negative. This nitrogen atom has lone pair electrons. So these lone pair electrons are going to attack on the carbon atom. This pi bond is going to break, and we are going to get carbon, nitrogen, which is attached with 3 hydrogens, single bond carbon, sorry, single bond oxygen, and oxygen has a negative charge here because it got the 5 electrons. Now all of these hydrogens will be delta positive because it is attached to nitrogen, which is also having a plus charge because it donated the electron to carbon atom. Now, oxygen will see that one of these hydrogens, it can be entrapped, and it will give the electrons to hydrogen. This hydrogen will give the electron to nitrogen atom like this. And hence you are going to get carbon with 2 bonds, nitrogen with 2 hydrogens. Nitrogens with 2 hydrogens, oxygen with 1 hydrogen like this. Oxygen still has 2 lone pair electrons, and these hydrogen atoms which are attached to nitrogen, they still have delta positive charge. So this oxygen is again going to attack on one of these hydrogen. This hydrogen is going to give the bond to carbon atom, and we are going to get carbon with oxygen and 2 hydrogens. And here you have double bond NH. Now, as soon as this oxygen gets a positive charge because it donated some electrons to hydrogen, you can see a water molecule forming. Oxygen will take the electrons from here. I mean, this is going to be, wait a second. इसको आपको directly लिखना पड़ेगा. As soon as this oxygen attacks this hydrogen is going to give the electron towards this carbon and nitrogen bond. And as you can see, the carbon and nitrogen are forming double bond. So carbon cannot form 5 bond. That is why these electron will be taken up by oxygen atom like this. So you will have carbon double bond with NH plus H2O. Okay, write this down. So first of all, oxygen atom is attacking on hydrogen. Second, hydrogen is giving the electron towards here. And thirdly, what is happening? The carbon is giving the electrons to oxygen atom like this opposite. Because carbon cannot have 5 bonds. Write this down. So in general, what you can see happening here is, in general, you can see carbon double bond O plus you have what? H2 and NH like this. Now you have still carbon double bond, but it is with NH. Can all of you see that? Yes or no? Please tell me. Can all of you see the product now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, this is for ammonia specifically, but if you have anything other than ammonia, the sequence will be same, but it should be ammonia derivative, okay? And you have nitrogen. This nitrogen will be attached with 2 hydrogens at least, and it will be attached with some other group Z. This Z can be hydrogen, it can be another NH2, it can be OH, anything else. What you have to identify, you just have to identify the nitrogen that contains 2 hydrogens. And you are going to take away these 2 hydrogens forming water, and you will get double bond N, and this N is bonded with Z. All of you wrote this, yes or no? Please tell me. Please tell me if you're done, yes or no. Guys, done?
Okay.
Okay. Sara, Parveen, Samiha, Razan, did you miss anything?
Sir, could you show like what you have taught till now so I can delete the pages?
Nothing much. Okay, you don't need to write this, but okay. just giving general scheme. You बाद में पढ़ेंगे उस तरह के reactions. All of you done now? Yes or no? Done, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No. This is right. I hope all of you guys are seeing this. Okay. NH. आपको क्या identify करना है? अब यहाँ पे देखिए. Please write a question. Identify the Z in following. इस तरह के सवाल नहीं आएंगे, लेकिन you have to train your eyes so that you can see the Z. Okay. सवाल नहीं आते इस तरह के, but still you have to train the eyes. For example, first one. अगर आपके पास NH3 है, then you will see it how? How are you going to see it? You will see it like this: H2NH. That means what is the Z? Tell me, guys. Z क्या है इसमें? What is the Z here?
H.
Very good. Very good. H is the Z here. Secondly, if you have, then what is the Z here? Tell me.
OH.
OH.
OH. What is the Z here?
NH2.
Correct. दिख रहा है ना सबको? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
फोर्थ में लिखिए. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा? What is the Z here? What is the Z here?
NH with benzene.
Correct. ठीक है. अब लिखिए. Right, next. Write the products. For following. देखिए. Number one, I'm going to give you CS3. CS3CHO. ठीक है. So how you have to see this? You have to see this like this. एग्जाम में तो आपको ऐसे ही मिलेगा, लेकिन आपको ये दिखना चाहिए. ओके. प्लस यू हैव, लेट्स सपोज NH3. NH3 कैसे दिखना चाहिए आपको? इस तरह से. And you're going to write the product how? See. ये दोनों निकल गए. This hydrogen as it is. कर पाएंगे आप लोग? Yes or no? Please tell me. Can you guys do this? Yes or no? हाँ, बताइए. Can you guys do this? Yes or no? है ना? ठीक है. Here both of these groups are what? CS3, CS3. By the way, all of these reactions now, they are in acidic condition like this. There is some H plus will be there. एक सेकंड, इसमें मत लिखिए, बट send the answers for these on WhatsApp, okay? Then we will move on. लास्ट वाले में N2 उस तरह से मत लिखिए, okay? Write N and then N again, but don't write N2. N2 means nitrogen. Nitrogen से bond नहीं है ना? Okay, Samiha.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, everything is fine. Let me recheck once. First one is fine. Second one is fine. Yeah, it's correct. Waiting for others. Sarah, looking at your answer. First one is fine. Second one is fine. Second one, third one is fine. देखिए ये गलती कर दिया ना आपने. डबल बॉन्ड किसके साथ होना चाहिए? सारा. Sarah Parveen. Yes, tell me. Carbon should have a double bond with.
Nitrogen.
Nitrogen ना, उसको ठीक कीजिए. And Wafia, looking at your answers now. फर्स्ट वन इज फाइन, सेकंड वन इज फाइन, थर्ड वन इज फाइन, फोर्थ वन में how you can have NHOH, it will be you have to remove both the hydrogens na Wafia. Yes Wafia, you have to remove, है ना, remove both the hydrogens. Okay, C6H5 is a benzene ring, so make a benzene ring or just write C6H5 if you don't know. Same thing with Razan also. Second and third is fine. The fourth one has NH. It won't have NH ना. दोनों हाइड्रोजन से हैं जो है नाइट्रोजन के. Both of these hydrogen will form water, right?
Yes,
Razan,
sir.
tell me, है ना? Please correct that. सारा, अरे तो नाइट्रोजन के बाद तो फिर NH है ना. देखिए सारा, डबल बॉन्ड N, ये दोनों हाइड्रोजन तो चले गए सारा. ये सब टेल मी.
Yes, sir.
इसके बाद क्या है आपके पास? इसके बाद है आपके पास NH and then this NH is bonded to C6H5. इस तरह से है ना.
Yeah.
ओके, करेक्ट कीजिए इसको. This will be NH, this will be NH, and this will be NOH. किसी और का आंसर आया? फातिमा. Ahmed, you are not sending answers. What happened? Fatima, first one is
Yes,
fine.
sir.
Sorry, Fatima, second one is fine. Third one में आपके पास थोड़ा ठीक से बनाइए structure. Okay, doesn't look like it has 6 carbon. It looks like it has only 5 carbons. Fourth वाला गलत है, right?
Yes, sir.
है ना? क्यों गलती हो रही है? ध्यान से दीजिए, ध्यान से कीजिए ना. आपको जब हमने कहा कि आपको इस तरह से बनाना है, ठीक है ना, अगर आपको नहीं समझ में आ रहा है तो you have to write what are the two hydrogens explicitly. Ahmed, looking at your answer, first one, second one, third one fine, fourth one fine. Yeah, fifth one
But
is
can
also
you
fine.
explain the fifth one?
Fifth one.
Yes.
अब देखिए, अगर हम इस तरह से लिखते तो आप लोग को बहुत आसानी हो जाती है ना. अब बन जाएगा. हाँ फातिमा, टेल मी. देखिए इस तरह
Yeah.
से, ठीक है. तो बस इसको ध्यान दीजिए. आपको क्या आइडेंटिफाई करना है, कौन सा नाइट्रोजन के पास 2 हाइड्रोजन है. ओके, दैट नाइट्रोजन इज गोइंग टू गेट अ डबल बॉन्ड विद कार्बन एटम, और उसके बाद रेस्ट ऑफ द मॉलिक्यूल. सो दिस इज योर बेंजीन रिंग लाइक दिस. Then you have nitrogen. This nitrogen should have what? 1 hydrogen, and it should have 3 bonds. Third bond is with nitrogen. This nitrogen has 2 hydrogens. These 2 hydrogens are getting bond with this oxygen atom, leading to formation of, ये आपका इस तरह से अटैक कर रहे हैं यहाँ पे. Okay, so you have the NH as it is, and then you have nitrogen, double bond, carbon like this. दोनों सेम चीज है.
Yes, I understood. Thank you.
अभी कौन आंसर कर रहा है? सारे आंसर लिखने के बाद रिहा. C6H5 ये आपका बेंजीन होता है. Fourth one is still wrong, Rihan. Fourth one is still wrong. ठीक है. Both the hydrogens are going to make water molecule. हम देखिए, आपकी गलती क्या है, आप इस तरह से नहीं लिखते हैं. आप लोग, आपको लग रहा है कि सर की तरह हम लोग भी कर लेंगे. अभी नहीं कर पाइएगा आप सर की तरह. अभी तो पढ़ा है आपने, है ना. सर सालों से पढ़ा रहे, तो आप लोग को अभी ऐसे लिखना पड़े. Then you will see, okay, this 2 hydrogens are going to make water with this oxygen. बचा क्या? NOH. So NOH is going to have a double bond with carbon. So this nitrogen is going to have a double bond. This nitrogen is further connected to oxygen and then hydrogen. Okay, Sarah Parker is sending now. अब तो सारा आंसर, सारा पार्कर लिसन, ऐसे नहीं बनाते हैं. आपने इस तरह से बनाया हुआ है. दिस इज सो रॉन्ग. ये बॉन्ड क्या, बॉन्ड के साथ बॉन्ड बना रही है. ठीक है, ध्यान रखिए इन सब चीजों का। केमिस्ट्री का टीचर ना इन सब चीजों को देख के बहुत गुस्सा होता है, ठीक है। एंड यू वांट whoever is checking your paper to be very calm. He should be very happy to see your paper. He should be in ease when he sees your paper. ठीक है, वरना गुस्सा आएगा उसको और वो चाहेगा कि आपके मार्क्स काट ले। चलिए, राइट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल the A part is reaction with ammonia. Please write with me. Reaction of aldehydes and ketones with ammonia gives imine. ठीक है, imine याद रखिएगा, imine. It gives imine. ठीक है, this is your general carbonyl carbon. And when you have specific यहां तक लिख लिया, ठीक है। खुद से लिखिएगा, एक बार हमने प्रोडक्ट लिख के दिखा दिया, लेकिन आप खुद से लिखिएगा। राइट, नेक्स्ट पार्ट बी, reaction with amine. Reaction with amine. Please write. Forms. What it will form? Substituted imine, which is also known as Schiff's base. SCHI, Schiff's base. So you have carbon double bond O, some groups attached to it. Plus, what you are going to have? You are going to have amine. What is amine? Amine is when you have nitrogen with two hydrogens and one R group, and it is going to give you double bond N R plus H2O as before. Now look at some specific examples. Plus NH2CH3, तो दो हाइड्रोजन के आप पानी लेने, right? We'll have double bond O, N, and further bonded with CH3. Double bond O plus NH2CH3. It will have carbon double bond nitrogen followed by CH3 like this. ठीक है? Reactants लिखिए, मेन आपके पास reactants है, ठीक है? These products you can write it on your own also. Right, next. Reaction with hydroxyl amine. What it is going to form, please write. It forms oxide. Forms oxide. Please write here. Carbon double bond O and H2NOH. This is hydroxylamine. We are going to get carbon double bond NOH. Sorry, not benzene ring. ठीक है, रिएक्टेंट्स लिखिए, प्रोडक्ट आप लोग बाद में भी लिख सकते हैं। मेन आपके लिए अभी नया क्या है, इट फॉर्म्स ऑफ सेम, बहुत प्रैक्टिस करा रहे हैं सेम रिएक्शंस के, ठीक है। सो दीज गेट अ बिट कंफ्यूजिंग समटाइम्स, दैट इज व्हाई यू शुड हैव इट मल्टीपल टाइम्स इन योर नोटबुक। कितना हो गया, सी, राइट D1 reaction with हाइड्रोजीन, हाइड्रोजीन के साथ क्या फॉर्म करेगा, हाइड्रोजोन, फॉर्म्स हाइड्रोजोन, हाइड्रोजोन अलग वर्ड नहीं है, सॉरी, हाइड्रोजोन इज वन वर्ड ओनली। Carbon double bond O, some groups attached to it, plus what is hydrazine, NH2 NH2, what is hydrazine, NH2 NH2। ठीक है, I hope you have seen the products। रिएक्टेंट्स लिख लिया आप लोगों ने, ये थोड़ा तेज हो गया था मेरे से, हाँ ठीक ठीक, ये थोड़ा तेज हो गया था, आप लोग लिखिए। लिख लिया आप लोगों ने, ये सुनो।
Yes, sir.
राइट, नेक्स्ट E, reaction with phenyl hydrazine, क्या देगा ये, इट इज गोइंग टू गिव यू फिनाइल हाइड्रोजोन, ठीक है, जीन का जोन कर दीजिए बस, फॉर्म्स फिनाइल हाइड्रोजोन, प्लीज राइट, carbonyl carbon with some group attached to it, plus NH2 NH benzene ring, Done, guys? दो और हैं। Done?
Yes.
Yes.
Next. F. Reaction with two comma 4 dinitro phenyl hydrazine. It is also known as 2 comma 4 DNP. ठीक है? Or it will forms 2 comma 4 dinitro phenyl hydrazone. So what will be the structure? You will have NH2 as it is. This will be followed by NH. Now the benzene ring will have two NO2 group. One is the second position. And then you will have in the fourth position, that is in the para position. You're going to get carbon double bond nitrogen followed by NH followed by the benzene ring with NO2 here and NO2 here. Okay, so I have CH3, CHO plus NO2 is going to give you CH3CH double bond N, single bond NH, single bond the benzene ring with two nitro groups at fourth and the second position. Copy jaldi. Then you have the last one, semi-carbazide. एक और चीज लिख लीजिएगा, this 2,4 dinitrophenyl hydrazone, this is orange red in color. Okay, so give orange red PPT. So this is also a test for aldehyde and ketones. Please let me know once you're done. Done, guys? Yes or no? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Right. G part. Reaction with semi-carbazide. What it will form? It will form semi-carbazone. Carbonyl-carbon with 2 groups attached, plus this is NH2, NH, followed by a carbonyl-carbon, then again followed by NH2. Okay. Everything is same. You have sorry guys. You have N followed by NH, followed by C double bond O, NH2. CH3CHO. It's the same thing. It's going to give you CH3, CH double bond N, followed by NH, C double bond O, NH2. NH2, NH, C double bond NH2, nitrogen with NH, C double bond O, NH2. Sorry, guys. Done, everyone? Guys, done?
Done, sir.
Sir, 1 second.
जी जी लिखिए आराम से लिखिए.
Done. Sir.
So this was the first reaction, and all of these reactions are nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay. So first of all, what we did? Addition of ammonia and ammonia derivatives. Write the second reaction. Addition of hydrogen cyanide, that is HCN. Okay, please write with me. Aldehyde and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones. React with HCN to form cyanohydrins. Also, right? Right. Base is used as a catalyst. As HCN reacts slowly. Okay, so when you have H is bonded to Cn plus some base with OH negative, it is going to abstract the hydrogen, leading to the formation of water and Cn negative. Okay, now this Cn negative is going to attack on the carbonyl carbon. So carbon with a double bond O, and here we have Cn. Now please remember, if we have Cn, both of these carbon and nitrogen are capable for forming bond. But what forms bond? Carbon is going to form bond. Why? Because carbon is less electronegative and carbon-carbon bond is more strong. This is going to give you the carbon with the two groups attached as it is, with a new bond with carbon, and one of the bond will break here. You will have C double bond N. No, wait a second. It will be still C triple bond N. And here you will have oxygen atom like this. Okay, here you are going to have oxygen atom like this. This will be having O negative. This is going to have like this one. Sorry. So carbon attacks on the carbon atom with carbonyl carbon. This carbon atom is not making 5 bonds, so it cannot make 5 bonds. It will break the pi bond with oxygen. Then, in the presence of H plus, you are going to get carbon with 2 groups as it is, Cn and OH. This is cyanohydride. This is quite unstable. It readily attacks the H plus. CH3, CHO plus HCN. This is going to give you CH3, this carbon atom. Now, it is going to have the hydrogen as it is, a new bond with Cl, and this carbon atom's oxygen is going to get OH. Okay. So actually, you can see it like this. Okay, so carbon gets Cn, oxygen gets the hydrogen. OH, Cn. Done? Yes or no? Guys, done? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Done.
Done, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, next. Third
Sir,
reaction. You have to
Sir,
leave.
it's time, Kennedy. Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Bye. Addition of sodium hydrogen sulfide. Please write. Aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones reacts with sodium hydrogen sulfide. What will be the formula? NaSO3H. Okay, NaSO3H, or you can rather write it like this: NaHSO3. Okay, whatever source here. Aldehyde and ketones react with NaHSO3 to form bisulfite addition products. Okay, so please see the reaction. You have carbon atom with some groups attached to it, plus NaHSO3. Now, what is going to happen? The sulfur is going to attack onto this carbon atom, and you are going to get carbon with the groups attached, SO3H, and here you are going to get ONA. Okay. Now, after a proton transfer, this oxygen atom will attack onto this hydrogen. Okay. As soon as it will attack, this Na will go there, and you will get SO3Na and OH. Write this down. This is proton transfer. CS3CHO. Okay, so CS3, then the carbon atom is going to have one hydrogen like this, and SO3Na and OH. You will have SO3Na and OH. Rather, let's go acid again. Let's keep the oxygen at oxygen's position, and this will be SO3Na. These are simple addition products, nothing else. Please let me know once you're done. Oh, done, guys. Yes or no? Please tell me.
Done.
नहीं भाई, done.
Done.
हाँ जी, बताइए फिर. Right. ये कौन सा हो जाएगा? थर्ड के बाद फोर्थ लिखिए. Addition of Grignard reagent. We have learned this in the formation of alcohols. Okay, we have learned this in the formation of alcohols. Please write aldehydes and ketones. Aldehydes and ketones react with Grignard reagent to form addition product. Further hydrolysis gives alcohol. Carbonyl carbon plus RMGX. So this R groups attached on carbon, and first of all we get R OMGX, and in the presence of H3O plus, that means H plus and water, we get carbon, the R group as it is, and OH. Okay, and what do we get? OH. अगर आप लोगों को याद हो, if we have formaldehyde, that means if this carbon atom, it contains only hydrogen and we have some CH3MgX or MgBr in this case. Okay, and we are going to add water next step, second step में H2O. Then what is going to happen? This carbon atom with the hydrogens as it is, one CH3 from the Grignard reagent, and this oxygen gets converted to OH. Okay, please write the reactions. Send the answer in my WhatsApp. ठीक है, दोनों लिखिए आप लोग. What is this A? What is this B? ठीक है, फर्स्ट नंबर के लिए. सेकंड के लिए what is this A? What is this B? थर्ड के लिए what is this A and what is this B? चलो, write this down fast. Okay, Sarah. Oh my God. Sarah, first one correct, second one correct, third one correct. Very good, Sarah. चलिए, आपको याद है? Very nice. Waiting for others. Okay, Samiha. First one is correct. Second one is also correct. What about the next one? Fatima, let me see. First one is wrong. Second one is also wrong. Third one is also wrong. फातिमा फिर से कीजिए आप. ध्यान से नहीं कर रहे हैं आप. फातिमा मार खाइएगा बिल्कुल. वाफिया, फर्स्ट वन इज फाइन, सेकंड वन फाइन, थर्ड वन नो. तीसरे वाले में आपने क्या कर दिया? वाफिया रॉन्ग, थर्ड वन इज रॉन्ग. ट्राई अगेन. जी फातिमा बताइए क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? यस फातिमा, you're saying something? No. Send the answers, guys. सब भूल गए. Okay. Razan and Wafia, you both have given same answers. ऐसे कैसे दोनों गलत कैसे हो सकता है? I mean, if two answers are right and they are same, then it's fine. But two answers are wrong and they are also same. See, फातिमा, आपका आंसर नहीं आ पा रहा था. फातिमा, फातिमा माइक ऑन. जी बताइए, ये CS3 कहाँ पे अटैक करेगा? 1 2 3 किस पे अटैक करेगा बताइए? 2 पे अटैक करेगा. वेरी गुड. अब जैसे ही अटैक करेगा तो कार्बन तो 5वां बॉन्ड बना रहा होगा. ये आपका सेकंड वाला कार्बन जो है, the second carbon would be making 5th bond. So what is going to happen? This bond is going to break. है ना? CO में से एक बॉन्ड ब्रेक करेगा. वेरी गुड. O नेगेटिव और यहाँ पे CS3, करेक्ट? ठीक है. अब O नेगेटिव को H प्लस मिलेगा तो क्या हो जाएगा? OH हो जाएगा और यहाँ पे CS3 दिख रहा है. ये सर नो प्लीज टेल मी.
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे भी, अच्छा ये सॉरी लोन पेयर नहीं है, ये अपने बॉन्ड से अटैक करता है. सेम थिंग. बस यहाँ पे याद रखिए हाइड्रोजन है, you have O negative and in the presence of H plus and H2O you'll have OH and CH3 here. यहाँ पे क्या होगा, this carbon is going to attack इस कार्बन पे and we will have this pi bond will break O negative, ठीक है, और CH3 यहाँ पे अटैक करेगा ना, this carbon is going to get the CH3, Razan and Wafia, and after the addition of H plus we'll have OH and CH3 as it is. ठीक है, is this clear guys? Yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
चलिए, ये तो पुराना था, आना ही चाहिए आप लोगों को ये. प्लीज राइट नेक्स्ट. चलिए आगे लिखिए. दिस इज फोर्थ वन है ना, नहीं फिफ्थ वन, सॉरी. Addition of alcohols right here. Aldehyde react with one equivalent of monohydric. Monohydric means एक ही OH लगा हुआ है उसमें. Monohydric alcohol in presence of dry HCl to form alkoxy alcohol intermediate. Alkoxy alcohol
ये एक
intermediate.
word है.
हाँ, ये एक वर्ड है, alkoxy alcohol. Alkoxy alcohol intermediate, ठीक है. This is also known as hemiacetal. ब्रैकेट में क्या लिखिएगा, alkoxy alcohol intermediate को hemiacetal, which right, which further reacts with one more molecule of or one more alcohol, one more molecule लिख लीजिए, molecule of alcohol to form gem alkoxy, is it gem alkoxy compound. इसको क्या बोलते हैं, एसीटल. देखिए सबसे पहले क्या करेगा, ये हैव एल्डिहाइड. प्लीज रिमेंबर अभी हम एल्डिहाइड की बात करें. ये हैव RCHO plus some R-OH in the presence of dry HCl. So what is going to happen? यहाँ से कौन अटैक करेगा, ऑक्सीजन एटम will attack obviously. Why oxygen atom is going to attack? Because oxygen is more electronegative. It is going to have lone pair electrons. This is going to attack on the carbon atom, and this RCH is going to get OH and OR. यहाँ से OR अटैक किया and this hydrogen goes to the oxygen atom. This will be R dash. On further आपके पास you will have another alcohol R dash OH. Now what is going to happen? This OH will be replaced by the R. So you'll have R, the CH as it is, OR dash, OR dash. This is hemiacetal. देखिए alkoxy alcohol, and this is acetal. Gem का मतलब होता है one carbon containing what, alkoxy group. So one alkoxy group, two alkoxy group. This is gem alkoxy. As you remember, gem diol है ना। उसी तरह से यहाँ पे क्या है आपके पास, यहाँ ओके जेम डाई एल्कोक्सी, माय बैड, जेम डाइल की तरह जेम डाई एल्कोक्सी. Gem dialkoxy is what? It is known as acetal. And alkoxy alcohol is known as hemiacetal. Now, if aldehyde is going to react with, dihydric alcohol, for example, you have R, carbon atom, double bond O, and hydrogen. Plus you have ethylene glycol. Ethylene glycol has one OH like this, CH2, CH2, OH. Now, in this case, what is going to happen? This is going to form your water, and you will have RCH, OCH2, CH2, O like this. Now, what is this? This is cyclic acetal. This is cyclic acetal. Please write next. Ketones react with. Ketones कैसे के साथ react करता है? Ketones, these are going to react with not mono, rather dihydric alcohol such as ethylene glycol. ठीक है, सिर्फ ethylene glycol के साथ reaction लिखिएगा. Ketones react with ethylene glycol to form ketal. क्या मिलता है आपको? Ketal मिलता है. So you have R, C double bond O, some R dash plus H dash O dash CH2 dash CH2 O dash H, and we are going to get R carbon, some R dash, oxygen and oxygen like this. This is your ketal, and the above ones were acetals. Write a note. Ketones do not react with monohydric alcohols. Next point. Acetals and ketals. Acetals and ketals can be hydrolyzed with mineral acid. Mineral acid means anything which has H plus ion. With mineral acid. Wait. Mineral acid के बाद aqueous लिखिए. This is important. To form the parent aldehyde and ketone. Okay, that means if you have R, C, some R dash like this in the presence of H plus and water, we are going to get what? R, C double bond O, R dash, the parent ketone. Similarly, if you have R, CH, OR dash and OR dash, H plus and H2O, this is going to give you R, CHO, the parent aldehyde. लिख लिया सबने? yes or no, please tell me. Yeah. No?